Have you ever wanted to hack like a pro or solve intense digital challenges, cybersecurity puzzles for free, or you want to get paid while doing it? Today we are diving into the world of capture the flag, or CTS. Capture the flag is like the Olympics of cybersecurity. This is where you are given a problem or a challenge, and then a code or what we call a flag is hidden in the challenge. Then you are expected to find it out. So what is this capture the flag and how is this done? Capture the flag, hands down, is the best way to learn real-life hacking skills in a safe and legal environment. Instead of just reading about vulnerability, you are actively exploiting them. It's practical, it's engaging, and it can be fun. The beauty of capture the flag is it helps you to think like a hacker. You think creatively, you think critically, and then you are persistent in looking for what you want. So now let's break down some of the capture the flag challenges you are going to be coming across, especially as a beginner, for you to understand. The first one we mentioned was web exploitation. In web exploitation, you are basically looking out for flaws or vulnerabilities in a website. So you have a website, maybe some codes or some secret messages that have been embedded into the codes that makes up the website. So you are looking into the source code, you are looking to inspect the elements, you are checking out the tokens, you are basically looking for these flaws on a web page. The second challenge you come across is cryptography. Cryptography is when you jumble or mumble up different strings of characters, and then you are given to decode what these characters stand for. So if you've seen those spy movies, you've seen those action movies where somebody's behind the computer trying to unlock, a message and then decode what the message means. So that is what it looks like. That's cryptography for you. Then the third one I'm going to be talking about is forensics. So this is like a digital detective. You are given a flash drive or a captured traffic, a network captured, traffic, or you are given a flash disk. You need to analyze it and find missing clues. Inside it, you need to trace the information, trace the details of the data inside it, and find clues to answer a particular task. So this is another example of capture the flag challenge. And then lastly, we're talking about reverse engineering. So reverse engineering is simply looking at the codes that make up a software and trying to find errors inside those codes. So it helps to understand software. So these are four common or basic challenges. There are other ones like binary exploitation, steganography. Steganography is where informations are hidden inside image. So a secret message or code can be hidden inside a PDF or JPEG file or inside an audio file. So you are given such file, you need to decode it, using tools like EXIF, and then find out what informations are embedded inside those files that are given to you. How do you go about carrying out to capture the flag? So we have 4 or 5 steps that I want to just, things that you need to take note when you want to do a capture the flag, or want to get involved with a capture the flag. The first thing is to read description. You need to read the description of the capture. The instructions on what to do and not to do are always given in the capture the flag description. And a lot of clues are also hidden in this description. So you need to take your time to read the description very well. And the second thing is to explore and observe. So when you are doing web exploitation, for example, you need to look very well, observe the web page, see if there are any errors, see if there are some things that are out of place. You can also inspect the code or check the web source, the page source. So if you right click, you can right click on the page, you can see the page source, check the HTML code for hidden information. So that's a very important step for you to explore and observe. The third thing, using your tools. So you need to make use of the tools you have. For a web exploitation, again, one of the important tools is to right click and inspect the elements. So this is well, some people I might say it's underrated, but there's a lot of information you can get from a web page when you just right click on it and you inspect the elements. Like you see here, you can check what the tokens you have, what is the messages that are going on behind, the kind of exchange communication that's going on between the web page and the WebSocket and the server. So use the tools that are available, easy tools that are available, without necessarily spending money to buy some extra tools. The fourth thing you need to take note is to think outside the box. You need to think outside the box. For example, if you are testing a web page now, behind the web page, when you are submitting a form or you are trying to download or clicking a button, an action might be saying you should use a post method. You need to think out of the box. Check what will happen. What if you change the post method to a get method, or you change it to a head? You need to think outside the box. Don't follow the normal way. What if the answer is not in the way or in the method that is obvious? So thinking out of the box is very important in capture the flag. Then the last thing is find and submit the flag. So when you find this solution, or when you find the code, ensure that you take it and submit it, because even if you find the code and you don't report it as it will be in the real life, then it becomes unsolved. So you need to find this code or find the answer and submit in order for you to complete your capture the flag challenge. So these 4 things are basically your approach when you are solving real life situations. Now you might be thinking, how do I actually get started? And that is where Hack the Box comes in. Hack the Box is an incredible platform. I've talked about it a number of times on this channel. I've talked about how to use Hack the Box and the benefits. So how do you take advantage? So as a channel, I've partnered with Hack the Box, and I have an affiliate link in the description. But when you click on the link in the description, you are not just getting access to Hack the Box Academy and learning hacking skills in cybersecurity. You are also supporting this channel in producing content like we are doing now, in helping people to get started in cybersecurity. So it's a win-win thing. You are learning as well as you are supporting our channel in doing better. Hack the Box has an academy where it helps you and guides you through the step-by-step process, of becoming a professional, starting from beginner. Hack the Box has a lot of capture the flag challenges that you can participate in. Hack the Box has challenges specifically for beginners that will guide you through the process of starting to becoming a professional. So before you dive into capture the flag challenges, there are 3 things I want to tell you. Start simple. Start simple. Don't dive into deep end. Do the simple tasks that you can easily execute, or you can easily find, that you can easily solve, and then you build your confidence and progress to the more difficult task. The second thing is, don't be afraid to look for other people's write-up. There are a lot of people who have carried out different capture the flag, and you have videos online. There are different resources on solving problem. You can read up, use ChatGPT. Don't be afraid to explore other resources in solving your capture the flag challenge. And the third thing is join communities. So there are also a lot of capture the flag communities and Hack the Box communities online, where you can meet with other people who are learning. You can collaborate, you can work together, form teams, join communities. This is the best way to actually learn. Are you ready to become a cybersecurity master, learn skills, and become, get on in your hacking journey? Please click on the link in the video description and start with Hack the Box capture the flag challenges today. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, please like this channel, like this video, share and subscribe to this channel, and drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know which of the capture the flag challenge you have tried out and which one you find very interesting. Once again, welcome to Cyber Culture Interface. This is where we talk about cybersecurity.